Good morning to each and everyone. I am Gladys Exclamador and I will be rationalizing number 245 to 248. Okay, for 245, learning outcome. Draw conclusion from observations. Which task item is aligned? A. Do you have adequate observations for you to be able to draw a conclusion? Why or why not? Or letter B. What conclusion can you draw on the basis of your observations? Or letter C. Is your conclusion valid? Why or why not? Or letter D. Can one do observation without drawing a conclusion? Explain your answer. So the task item that would align to come up with this learning outcome is letter B. What conclusion can you draw on the basis of your observations? So as a teacher, you would make a test that make your student observe for them to gather an information to conclude an answer. So for number 246, learning outcome. Take a stand on the issue on same-sex marriage and defend the same. Which task item is aligned? A. Do you favor same-sex marriage? Why or why not? Letter B. Is same-sex marriage according to the Bible? Or letter C. Is there any advantage of same-sex marriage? Or letter D. Why was same-sex marriage introduced? So the test item that would fit to come up with the learning outcome is letter A. Do you favor same-sex marriage? Why or why not? In which the student will analyze the given issue and take stand on what they believe in. And for them to be able to defend their answer through answering the question why or why not they believe that stand, through giving fact, opinion, and evidence for their answers or for their claims. For number 247, learning outcome. Draw implications of research finding on lifestyle diseases. Which test item is aligned? A. What may be inferred from the research finding presented? Letter B. Are the research finding conclusive? Or why or why not? Letter C. What are the lifestyle diseases? Do they affect people at a young age? Or letter D. What does research say about lifestyle diseases? Do you agree? Why or why not? So, the task that would align to come up with this learning outcome is letter A. What may be inferred from the research findings presented? So, to draw conclusion from evidence, we must look closely at the data or evidence presented and consider carefully how the evidence was obtained and how was it conducted. So the data and the other evidence along with the questions and answers choices lead us to the conclusion. Number 248, Teacher C wants to develop in her students the skills to draw generalization from a given data. How will Teacher C proceed? A. Inductively. B. Deductively. C. Intuitively. D. Reflectively. So the answer is letter A, inductively, in which, when you say inductive, it is a method of reasoning in which a body of observation is analyzed to come up with a general principle. It consists of making broad generalization based on specific observation.